Hey Divas, Kaden here and welcome back to Chef It Up Fridays. On the menu, I'll be making some creamy stuffed baked salmon. So first, I'm gonna go ahead work on my salmon. So before adding my powdered seasons, I'm gonna go in with some avocado oil, drizzle that all over, rub it in, and then go on to adding my powdered season. For powdered season, I'll be using some Old Bay, Cajun, Creole, Slap Your Mama, and some Complete. I'm gonna go ahead add those to my fish, rub them in, and put it aside and let it marinate before starting on my stuffings. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be working with to stuff my salmon. So I'm going to be using some cream cheese, spinach, minced garlic, some Parmesan cheese along with some black pepper and some garlic powder. I'm going to go ahead add all these into a bowl, mix them up, ensure that they're combined before adding them to my salmon. Now that I'm done working on my stuffing, I'm gonna go ahead and cut myself a nice little pocket. You gotta work gentle because you don't want to go all the way through. You just want to make a pocket with just one opening. So I'm gonna go ahead, create that pocket, stuff my salmon, and then put them in the oven. And guys, let me know, have you ever tried stuffed salmon before? If so, did you make it yourself? Did you purchase it? Or have you ever tried salmon overall? Did you like it? Was it like your cup of tea, or was it not up your alley? Let me know in the comments below. After stuffing the salmon, I'm going to go ahead and melt some butter because I'm going to use this to add all over my salmon when it's in the baking tin before putting it in the oven. After adding the melted butter, I'm gonna go ahead, put it in the oven, let it stay for about 20 minutes before removing them. When I remove them from the oven, this is how they look after 20 minutes. They were perfectly done, nice and juicy. And when I tell you these were tasting so delicious, I really enjoyed it. You can go ahead and serve it up with whatever sides you want. I went ahead and served mine over some white rice, and it was like just a perfect combination. I went ahead, I cut it so you guys can see on the inside that it's well done. It's not raw or anything. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to tell a friend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.